Mario. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I got a Dr. Mario amiibo. Now I'm going to unbox this thing on camera. I want some berries. Okay. Now I'm going to unbox this amiibo. Oh, come on.
It's me!
Come on, you!
Hi!
No. Okay. Here we go. Come on.
I'm sorry, I don't get some more.
I'm gonna be the one mascot. Finally. Okay. So yeah, this is Dr. Mario. He has a pill in his hand. He looks just like the doctor. See ya! Stay tuned for more Amiibo unboxing videos.